Hello, friends. Today I will introduce how to recycle gold from CPU computer scrap, electronics parts and e-waste. Recycling gold. This new method for getting gold from e-waste may be just what miners need. The amount of e-waste being generated certainly suggests that the business opportunities for recycling will increase. The International Telecommunications Union, a UN agency, estimates that about 45 million tons of e-waste was generated in 2016, and is expected to top 50 million tons by 2021. In 2016 alone, 435,000 tons of phones were discarded, despite containing as much as 9.4 B and 8.3 billion pounds worth of raw materials. Open your CPU. The computer. Most older CPUs have gold components on the circuit boards. Taking the whole board out is the first step. Open up the case for your computer to access the electronics inside. Of course, the CPU should be unplugged, and the memory should be wiped clean before you disassemble, just to be safe. You'll need a small screwdriver for this step. Identify and separate different metal from each computer parts. Now, make separate piles each metal component. The big chunk of aluminum just below the cooling fan, and the cooling fan contains copper-bearing motors. You can find another copper-bearing motor within the power supply. Just below where the CPU location, you can find gold-plated pins. Whatever golden things you find, simply cut and take them. You can make the process simpler by looking for gold, aluminum, and copper and make a separate pile for each. According to the EPA, experts estimate that recycling 1 million cell phones can recover about 24 kilograms of gold, 250 kilograms of silver, 9 kilograms of palladium, and more than 9,000 kilograms of copper. I used hot air gun. Remove ceramic chips and various electronic devices. Anyone have a better way? Please recommend. Helpful for everyone. Gold is usually located at the junction of electronics. Outdated electronics are likelier to produce parts with a high enough level of gold to make the procedure worthwhile. Once you are done accumulating all the metals, it is time to cash out. Look for a scrapyard near you. You can also sell the motherboards, RAMs, CPUs, PCIs, gold fingers and other gold plating parts online. Be careful dealing with online vendors. Selling these items on eBay is a good idea as it normally pays more than what you can get from a scrapyard. Today I will use the Aqua regia method to extract gold from the CPU and electronic devices. First of all, I will eliminate the variable metals that are not related to gold first. I use nitric acid mixed with water 1:1. Soak nitric acid mixed with water for 1 week. Gold-plated pins, CPU will fall out of the body. This video light how to recycle gold from CPU computer scrap for the light to see that the gold content list in CPU and gold volume. Of course, science and experimental work to find secret results, we do not focus on price. time profit or loss, it will not be good for people to look at the value of money. Mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid optimally in a molar ratio of 1:3. Aqua regia is a yellow-orange, sometimes red. I would like to tell you that Aqua regia is not the only method to recover gold from electronic scrap. It is only one of the methods. If you want to use Aqua regia to recover gold from electronic waste, you should first know that where and when you should apply our method to recover gold from computer CPUs. I boil the gold-plated legs, CPU and Aqua regia to increase the performance of the acid in order to approach the saturation point. Sodium metabisulfite, also known as sodium bisulfite, is an affordable and effective selective precipitant for gold. This chemical can recover up to 99.95% of pure gold when the precipitated gold is thoroughly rinsed. It works well even at room temperature. Proper ventilation is required. This precipitant has a very strong, pungent, acid odor and is corrosive. Precipitated gold particles vary in size, but tend to be small and float easily in the rinse water. For this reason, special care must be taken to avoid accidentally pouring off gold with the rinse water. Clean gold sediment with 3 to 5 times hot water. I dry gold sediment, choose hot air gun. you will get a gold powder that is ready for melting. Don't expect to make a lot of money from computer recycling unless you plan to go into business. Recycling your computer gold can put a few bucks in your hands though, and it can make you feel good about ditching the old personal computer. Sprinkle a little borax powder for better melting gold. Hope you like our compilation. Please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Then meet again in the next clip. Thank you very much.